Gunday Funday again. We got another extreme assortment of weapons. Got some Tannerite getting set up downrange right now with a little bit of gas. Hopefully we'll get a good fireball off of it. And we'll see in a little bit. Pounds of Tannerite. Double whopper right here.
There we go. Man, that sucked. No flames. That sucked. No gas. They're sitting out here.
Ready to roll, brother? Get that son of a bitch.
It's a normal Sunday afternoon.
Oh!
Fail.
Fail.
Before the gas drains out of the jug.
Do over. Woo! Dude, I could feel the heat off of that thing. Fantastic.
That was a good one.
Roll, boys. Hit it.
What the hell was that?
Hang on.
Hang on now. Hang on, I
Must hit a little low.
gotta go through the whole fucking deal again here.
Whenever you're set. 1 pound of Tannerite, gallon of gas.
I'm going to hit about 2 of those shots and then we'll go.
I know you will.
Woo! That was great, man.
Can you do it again? I wasn't looking.
That is a good cloud, too.
No. That was great.
That was a good one.
If you want to get a real nice black cloud.
Whenever you're ready, bud.
Not the jug. Can in front of it.
I know, man. 15
There's a lull right now. Shoot.
680 yard shot.
Before it runs away. Why would the wind blow and make my focus mess up? Wow! That was freaking great. My whole screen